in 2 power of which you will get the what is the unit digit. So for example, the 2 power of 2024, it is now present here, is its unit digit is 6. In 2 power of 2027, its unit digit is 8. 2 power of any number, what is the unit digit we'll get? We can observe. It's in small table. We can prepare the small table here. And you can divide with 4. Any number, any power can divide with 4. The remainders will get the 1. The unit digit will be 2. Remainder is get the 2. Is unit digit is 4. Remainder is got 3. Is unit digit is 8. And remainder is 0. Unit digit will be get 6. This table we can remember is get the your answer is very simple. Now 2 to the power of any one example of the 2 to the power of 127. 127 you can divide with the 4. 127 divided with 4. 4 3s are 12. Is remainder 0. And write down 7. 4 1s are 4. 3 remainder. 3 remainder means unit digit is 8. One more example, 2 to the power of 225. 225 you can divide with 4. Actually, 2 5 4 5 is 20. 2 remainder, just 5. 2 4 6 are 24. 1 remainder means unit digit is 2. One more example, small example, 2 to the power of 5. Just 5 you can divide with 4. 4 1 time 4, 1 remainder means its unit digit is 2. Digit is 2.